Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. Today we're going to do a short video for a little mail pull. I believe this is from Professor Rusty. We're going to have to check it out. I'm pretty sure this is where it's from. Oh, yes, sir. Goodness gracious, he did throw in some stickers. Thank you. Like that. Alright.
Thank you, sir, for the stickers today.
There we go. That's an awesome sticker, sir. I enjoy that. Thank you. We're gonna put that up on the board for sure. That's another one of his stickers there. Yes, sir.
Colors pop like a firework blast. Tiny treasures that'll always last. Brighten my day, they're holding fast. A little joy that's unsurpassed. Sticky friends in a paper parade.
Yeah, I like that.
When I'm feeling way
I get in trouble with
got a
that.
sparkle, they've got a charm. Keeping my heart warm and calm. Oh, thank you, sir.
Heck yeah, these are some awesome stickers. I enjoy
Up
this.
in the box, they're here to stay. They're shining bright in their own way.
There you go.
Thank you,
I
sir,
like
for
that.
the stickers today.
I'm gonna have to split these up. Put some of these in here in my box and some of them on my lathe box. This one's going in here on my box for sure. That's an awesome sticker. I hope everybody... Ooh, my camera's all wonky. My box is a mess. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Zoom in right there. We'll put Professor Rusty sticker right there. And there. Alright, this is a jingle.
Grumpy got a letter. Oh, what a day. Stickers from Rusty, they're on their way.
This is pretty cool. I had checked the mail yesterday, but I guess I checked it too early. And then I was laying in bed last night. My wife came in and said I had an envelope. I waited till this morning to go through it though. But this is cool.
Can't keep it inside.
Right there. Alright, start in the corner
Rusty's
and
got
work
a
the
channel, you should
bubbles out.
check it out. Cooler than cool, without a doubt. Claps and stomps, let's make some noise. Stickers and joy for girls
On
and
my
boys.
shoulder.
Little squares of magic, oh what a treat. Rusty's
I
got
see, I
the
needed to
vibe.
have the land sticker right here by it, but the land is already covered up over in the other corner, so I can't put them right there.
Stickers in the carpet.
But that is awesome.
Oh my, they sparkle, they shine like stars in the sky. Each one gets a spot, no sticker denied.
Too cool,
Grumpy's got
too
a
cool.
treasure, can't keep it
Again,
inside.
thank you,
Carbon box.
Mr. Rusty. I hope my sticker makes it and you enjoy it.
Like stars in the sky.
But again, everybody have a great day, and don't forget, check out Professor Rusty Workshop. I will have a link to his channel in my description. I will also have a link to Spike Williams Fundraiser in my description. Y'all go check that out. Do what you can, donate, share. Heck, if anything, just share that link that's in the description. You don't even have to share the video. But I would greatly appreciate it, and I know Spike would too. But go check out Dad Carves, awesome channel. Wowie's Workshop right here, Two Brothers, One Vision. All three of them. That's a great guy and a great group. His brother's a good guy, does some awesome art. Oh, let's see. Come back in touch. There we go. Robert C. Peters, go check out his channel. Josh and Casey at Creation Dust 777, check out their channel. Aaron the Boss Lady, go check out his channel. Awesome channels. Jordy Johnson, Carbon Fusion, he started my carbon journey. Awesome channel for sure. Check him out. Sean, go check Sean at Pit on Fire. Awesome channel. Perry, Carbon Wizard, check him out. Josh, Electric Whittler, check him out. Sophie, Under the Bark, go check her out. Awesome channels, everybody. DeLance Handmade Woodworking, very good. This is Mr. Peters, got me this here for my Grumpy. I love it. Suzanne Rhinestone, check her out. Awesome channel. And of course another Jordy channel. Well, Jordy's got a couple of channels too, so but awesome. And then we're back out of here. Big mess. We're going on a ride. There's my board stickers. I got a few of them over there. I got Bear the Boss Lady over there. I got Electric Whittler, the Lighthouse, which is Wally, and then the Jordy Johnson sticker. I'm going to put some of Rusty's stickers over there too. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a great and awesome day. Be safe, everybody. And I'll have another video out soon. Thank you. Like, subscribe, check it out. Don't forget the description.